celebrating this historic moment where we're reopening Nicholas Elementary, a brand new space with everything that they need in order to excel academically.
3 brand new schools, rebuilt schools, are going to happen in the next 7 days. Here, Nicholas, obviously, and then Chavez Elementary School, and then Oak Ridge Elementary School.
Today, we're not just cutting a ribbon, we're opening a door to the future.
We're really excited that everybody turned out to celebrate with us.
My name is Marcelino, and I'm born to 5th grade. I'm excited to see the big cafeteria. I like it because it's big and beautiful.
Here at Sac City Unified, we believe that facilities planning is neighborhood planning. And to lift our neighborhoods, we must also elevate the conditions of our school facilities.
This new school is going to change lives because we know that when kids are excited and inspired to come to school each day, attendance will improve.
I want to thank the superintendent, the school board, and everyone who made this possible. Thank you to each and every one of you for doing an excellent job within this school.
We're honoring our students by giving them what they truly deserve, a space where they feel safe, nurtured, and celebrated.
We're excited to get started with a smile, ready to get going with the wonderful work here at Nicholas.